Can you about my brother and ikuku? Some peace, ya will a take home. A other go. I like how and manipulation on that. Most some of them are too manipulative. I know that some people are going Ezugo. Why are you giving that boy attention? Yes. Look, let me tell you people, there are some things that needed to be addressed. Look at ikuku saying that nobody, no one intimidate and nobody will control him to speak the way that person is speaking. Blah 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 blah. That Nanyama is entitled to his own opinion. Imagine somebody who repeatedly called me after my program. He has called me more than 3 times, trying to tell me, Ezugo, no, you have to be neutral. You know the way you handle things. You have to be neutral so that people will not know that you are standing with these people or you are standing with these people. It is on the basis of the numerous calls that you have called me, can't you that you are manipulatively biased. Stop pretending, my brother. You cannot hide for too long. You cannot hide for too long. In fact, what pisses me off is at the rate in which, okay, for example, let me tell you some of the games they are playing. Okay, na J-Pack in a problem. A exchange of words. Okay, bata Nigeria. J-Pack na governor Ezioku. War police. They arrest you, okay, on a dealing that has nothing to do with anybody. Father Mwebe decided to come into it, telling Evangelist Ebukobi to go and caution Ogechi. He came into it though. He is not in any way related to J-Pack. He is not in any way related to anybody around J-Pack. Now, after he made that video, he picked interest in that matter and he made that video. After he made that video, other people now who saw that video he made also decided to respond to him the same way he responded in that case that has nothing to do with him. Now he started calling Zion Ministry. He started saying that a group of people are threatening him. Why are you people always looking for trouble? I keep saying it. Why are you people always looking for trouble? You are not related to J-Pack. The same way you came into it when you spoke, none of us accused you of being a relative to J-Pack, of being a fan of J-Pack, or defending J-Pack. When people responded to you, now your broadcast, you should also take it that those people are speaking out of their own mind. Must you associate those people with a certain congregation? Must you say that those people belong to Zion or any congregation at all? Can't you assume that those people are also speaking freely the same way you decided to speak freely out of your own free will? If you never problem, this is a case between two people. Nobody called you into it. You picked interest yourself. You moved into it. You spoke your mind, and nobody accused you of taking side. The moment netizens, there are people we call netizens, which in case if you don't know, there are people we call netizens. Netizens are people who stay within the Facebook or social media community. They are millions and billions in numbers. They may choose to respond to you out of their own personal interest in the matter. It may have nothing to do with a congregation or any group of people. But the problem is any matter involving anybody, you will want to get involved. The moment people talk back at you in any way, you choose to associate them with a certain congregation or people. Can't you take it that those people are also speaking the same way you spoke? Now let me tell you, if you see where people are having problem in this manner, J-Pack, no Gechi, same way problem, and you chose to tell people to advise one person out of those two people, you are taking side. You are trying to exonerate J-Pack that every single thing J-Pack has said against Ogechi, that he is correct. Now you are saying that everything Ogechi has said against J-Pack, she is not even supposed to have said it. Why can't you say that people should talk to J-Pack and Ogechi? I don't know. Hey, what I go? but I am looking at the caption. I am looking at the caption people who need it, because I myself have never even listened to what Father Mwebe said, but I am looking at the captions people who do, including Wiku. So, all Father Mwebe in his speech balance the message, balance. Then Wiku should be held responsible. And that is why I said some of these people, when they are reporting, they report so biasly. If you want to be a social media blogger and you want to blog news the way they come out, go and watch the videos of Pretty Asa Asia. Pretty Asa Asia is a blogger of news. She will put out that news, she will narrate that news the way that news came out, she will simply state each other side of the story. She will not analyze. She will not analyze that video. Only few videos can Pretty Asa Asia analyze. Because click on like and love. You gotta go. I don't know if it is network or if it is something else. But I'm telling you the truth. If you want to be a blogger, blog the news the way you see it. That is what people like Pretty Asa Asia, that is what she does. But when you come here to always analyze news based on your own point, we will not take it. We will not take it. Mwikuku, somebody that has always approached me, as you go, no, you have to be neutral. Why are you always associating yourself with this kind of people? Now, each time he does, there is only one place he doesn't do that. And that is if it has something to do with Reverend Father Mbaka. He can defend Mbaka with every last thing left in him. In fact, if you want to look for his trouble, mention Mbaka's name. That is how best. Because never talking like a love. You want to go? I don't know if the program is being reported or it is just network. Metro makana ekriki makana like and love. Ekriki makana like and love. You get it? So let me continue with even Neku. Network here about I have that manage. So you see, if you want to be a reporter, report like Pretty Asa Asia. Don't add sentiment and don't add anything. The moment you start analyzing to the best of your interest, network. You ought go. So, Mwikuku, I wouldn't even have mentioned your name if you my brother. You first started interfering with my programs. Network is very bad. Okay, I'll try one more time. Network so then I will end the broadcast, then I will come back again. I guess not because of the location. Network so here. You can see the location even now. I don't know. So network so. Emegale ho na chọ ndị na threaten unu. Oya was in the social media nnọkwala onwe ha na edelo onwe ha message. Una ewoye no ndị Zion mo no ndị a particular group